sanibonani listeners viewers nama South Africa no igama lami umzomuhle Mazibuko secretary waye abahamba South Africans njengoba sila namhlanje endaweni njengoba sime khona la endaweni yase Alroad size message yethu short and loud and clear sifuna ukuthi remove ama legal foreigners kuyo le ndawo industrial areas because if ungabheka we are the true beneficiaries zale ndawo la eAlroad and kumele ngabe kuthina kumele ngabe sibenefita kakhulu kule ndawo akumelanga ngabe unemployment rate ingaka kubantu baseThokoza while bale ndawo kumele ngabe benefita kakhulu and into ebhlungu kakhulu what's painful we only to find out ukuthi le industrial areas kusebenza ama illegal foreigners babhadala ama 3.5 per week umuntu angana proper ama document proper umuntu akanayo permit ukuthi abe la South Africa but employed while umuntu wase South Africa obhadala tax ovutwayo and yena akasebenzi so i-time rate angeke iziyehle South Africa as long as government wethu asathengisa ngabantu bakhe because of this thing singenile la emafemini government uyayazi intwana politicians ziyayazi intwana akekho umuntu ongayazi intwana but only to find out ukuthi government and politicians are using abantu bethu ngokuthi babahwebe lapha bayahweba ama politicians no government ngale ndawo while abantu bakithi bahlupheka bangathi uyabheka abantu balapha ungathi bayingaka labantu abangaka abasebenzi bonke labantu hayi ukuthi ba off noma baselifini abasebenzi so into esoyilwela la message yethi 1 sicela ukuthi kuphume ama legal foreigners la eAlroad naseAngas wonke ama industrial areas ala eduzane nase South Africa asabafuni yes
njengoba uthi nilethe imemorandum ebhuti wami lana umuntu enizohenda kuyi memorandum ungaba representa lama company la ala enize kuwo or representa mhlawumbe ugovernment uthe uzofika ngobani isikhathi anike sona ukuthi nizohlangana ngaso mhlawumbe uzothatha le memorandum.
Okay my leader, no, you know what we did before this march into esiyenzile nama leaders abahamba eThokoza resident wonke ama company wala eAlroad siwanikeza ama letters to notify them about this upcoming shutdown in order ukuthi basende someone azothatha i memorandum on behalf of the company if not the owner ayizama so njoba bazofika each and every company owner izothola i memorandum yawo izukuthi sifunani sabahlali baseThokoza because ezithila asi political party asiyini sabahlali baseThokoza abakhathazekile
so nibanikeza isikhathi singanani ukuthi bahambe
njengamanje ngoba sobanikeza i-memorandum ama-owners sobanikeza 7 days ukuthi basiphendule failure to do so there's phase 2 this is phase 1 you have to know there are 3 phases there's phase 2 there's phase 3 obvious phase 2 we have to ukuthi siye khona emafemini sibalande sikhipha umuntu wangaphandle kungena eSouth Africa ngenkani this time because of now sisancenga sisabacela but phase 2 ngesisabancenga ngenkani kuzofa ofayo kuwo
ngibona ina nawo nokuthi khona amaphoyisa la bhuti wami which is into enhle ngiyabona futhi since niqalile from ekseni nisa controller i-crowd akakabikho into embi eyenzekile so amaphoyisa nawo niyasebenzisana nawo niyona wa invite ukuthi azoba khona kulama meeting beni wabamba njengokuthi binibamba ama meeting niyeneza la amaphoyisa nawo ay part of yaleyo meeting leyo.
Yes my leader sibe nama plenary meeting I3 there was a first and the second and the third so ama stakeholders were involved we are talking about SAPS EMPD even taxi associations were involved in that meeting masikhuluma lento savumelana ngayo yonke into so njengoba ubona amaphoyisa la section 205 si applyile ya pass so we respect law enforcement yonke into siyenza ngomthetho because of sifuna ukuthi i-message yethu izwakala because of asifuni violence asifuni malooting asifuni next sifuna ama company owners remove ama illegal foreigners kungena abantu bakithi bala eThokoza abasebenza because i-aim yethu ukuthi sibone ikhaya nekhaya kuba khona umuntu okwazi ukubeka isinto etafuleni.
Ngicela ukubuza because ngiyabona imashi yenziwe akusiya mapho akuno political party benishilo kuposta njengoba benisho but ngiyabona ukuthi amakhansela yibo mhlawumbe abantu abanokukhulumisana abazi kabanzi ngendaba yasemafemini nike nawa involve ukuthi because amakhansela each and every development ozenzeka la emafemini and amakhansela amanye amaward anamafem awela under wona niye nawa involve ukuthi mhlawumbe anike i-background ukuthi nawo amanye nisebenzisana because amanye anawo i-database yalamafem.
Yes, we did involve our councillors because of some of the councillors siyasebenzisana nazo because some of the councillors, we have to be honest, they do support this thing because of this thing yama illegal foreigners ayithinti thina mazamadila kuphela but ithinta wonke umuntu omphakathi even i-councillor is from the community ukhethwe from umphakathi so lento nabo iyabathinta so we tried by all means ukuthi siba involve kulento akekho umuntu esimshiye ngaphandle pastors izinyanga izinduna everyone involved kulento because of abahlali lento into yani into omphakathi akusinto ama political parties that is why sithe even no regard sesixoshe maybe about 20 people bafaka ama regard to show ukuthi asidlali la sizolwela umphakathi.